Hello viewers, here we have kind of an interesting telephone. It's unique in a number of different ways. This is a Panasonic KX-TG2650N in the champagne gold color. And it's one of those phones that came with different faceplates so you could customize the appearance of it. But what I found the most interesting about it was that the handset appears to have a retractable antenna. And that is something I have only seen on, I think, one other phone, potentially, and it was a VTech 900 megahertz. So that's kind of interesting. This is 2.4 DSS, and it's GigaRange Elite, which would lead me to believe that it is high-end. Of course, if it actually lives up to its name or not, I honestly have no idea since I've never used this telephone before. So, here we have the telephone itself, which is significantly smaller than I thought it was going to be. I thought this was going to be more towards the size of the old 5.8s that are, probably down to here. It does in fact have a telescoping antenna, and that is pretty cool. So let's see what kind of battery we got in here. We have, oh, it's that kind of battery. Okay, this is a very strange battery. Never seen that plug before. I hope this battery is still good because I don't have another one of these on hand. And so if this battery doesn't take a charge, we can't test this out today. I don't know if that's the original battery or not. 1500 milliamps is kind of high. High for an original anyways. So yeah, that's interesting. Much smaller than I thought it was going to be. But that is really cool. Alright, let's get the base out. What else have we got in here? We got warranty options. More warranty. And manual. Just out of curiosity, let's see what kind of talk time this thing is supposed to have. There's the specifications. Okay, perhaps battery charge 10. Not sure if that's actually going to list what I want, but we'll see. If that does not tell me how long it lasts. Here we go. Near the base unit and away from the base unit. It looks like it has 2 power levels. 3.5 hours, so it's not very good, but that's pretty typical for Panasonic. So let's see here. Here's the base. I'm really hoping the accessories are included, but I don't know. Much smaller base than I thought it was going to be too. This whole thing is very small. What a weird design. Oh, good. Has the clip. And we have a gigantic power supply. And we have bracket. I wonder if we have any of the... Oh, there's another information in here. Quick setup guide, I guess, for the base and handset. We have the... I'm not sure. I don't think that goes with the phone. I'm not sure if it comes with... Is it supposed to come with those? Optional, so probably not. Let's see if I can find out. Do we have a... Let's see if I can find a pack. Actually, first let's plug it in and I'll look through the manual. Something wonky is going on with this power cord here. What in the world is that? No idea what that is, unless it's some type of a thing to avoid interference, but I don't know why I'd have that on a thing like this. Well, let's plug it in. Hopefully it works. It's supposed to work. Oh, this power adapter is huge. It's 9 volts, 850 milliamps. It's heavy too. Much better quality than the adapters they make today. Looks like it works. We have 49 new coils. Just going to peruse through the coil log real quick just to see how long this was used for. Okay. This was last used August, or last received a call anyway, August 18. We're in February, August, September, October, November. So it's been out of service for a while, if that was even last year. Got calls almost every day. Alright, well, let's throw this on charge here. That is certainly not a good sign. Okay, that's a slightly better sign. Let's see if I can zoom that in there. If I had to guess, I would say that battery is no good. Which kind of stinks, because now I have to get another one. This looks fairly original. It's nickel metal hydride at least. Have an extreme volume difference. Oh, there we go, we got charge. Of course, how long it lasts is unbeknownst to me. But while that is charging up, I'm going to come in here and see if I can find a parts guide. Excuse me. Okay, accessories included. AC adapter, telephone cord, out clip, and wall adapter. So it looks like it doesn't come with the what are those things called? With the fashion plates. And I suppose the chances of finding one of those at this point in time is probably fairly slim. So apparently that will turn to green when the battery is full. Let's see if it... I don't know why the beep is so quiet. Oh, it's blanked out. Well, we're going to have to let this charge up. We do have a headset jack here. I'm afraid to open it because I don't want it to break, and quite frankly I can't get it open. I'll let this charge up. What model number is this? I'll look up this model number when I get back on the computer, and I'll probably just go ahead and buy a new one because I can't imagine that this is any good anymore. Kind of annoying they use some crazy proprietary plug. Alright, well, I'll put that back on charge, see what happens. Perhaps it still works, I don't know. But I'll let it charge up, and then we'll have to do the initial checkout in another video. Thank you for watching. Comment, subscribe, and out.